Welcome back, Titan fans. So here's the exhaust video. What I put on is a JBA Catback exhaust, and the reason for doing that, well, other than that I wanted that, right up in here on the stock exhaust, right up in the wheel well, right about there was a section where two pieces were connected together, bolted together with a flange. And what happened was that flange rotted and came apart. And we were on a trip. We went to snowcross races in Timmins. Sorry about the camera tipping. And if you don't know where Timmins is way up in the boonies in the middle of nowhere. And I'm in Ontario. If you can imagine an 8-hour drive straight north from Toronto to a place where the snowbanks were higher than the houses. That's where Timmins is. So we were up in Timmins, and on the way home we stopped for dinner in Sudbury, and I noticed that the exhaust tip was pointing down. And so when I climbed onto the truck to see what was the matter, the pipe had come apart at the flange, and that was it. We only had about 60,000 kilometers on the truck. It's 14. Not driven very much. And it was time for new exhaust. So I used some stainless steel zip ties, which I had. Zip tied the tailpipe on, and we drove all the way from Sudbury back to where I live, which is just north of Toronto. Surprisingly, the zip ties held together, and we got home with the full exhaust. And I ordered a JBA Catback. Wide pipe up there. That's a pretty nice setup. Stainless steel. It was a pretty good price too, about $700. And I do like the sound quite a bit. It's only a little bit louder than stock. So if you want a loud exhaust, this isn't the one, but it is a pleasing sound. It sounds good to start up at idle and high revs. Well, I didn't want one too loud because you go on long trips in this truck with the family, tow a trailer. I don't want it too loud, but I am very happy with the sound. So if you want to hear it, I'll start it up. There's the tailpipe. That's what it sounds like. That wasn't a cold start because my wife just drove it home from work, but you heard it rev up there. And stay tuned for my next video. Next week I'm hoping to get a Bullydog GT, so we'll install that and I'll tell you how that goes. Thanks for watching. See you later.